Hello lovelies, welcome to our channel Air Varieties. I am Charity P and
as usual, safe.
We are still in Nigeria, we are not back in Ghana, and today we are taking Keke to grandma's gifts.
Our only grandma.
Grandma, do you have a grandma?
The one and only grandma.
You are blessed if you still have your grandma. So wow. Let's head to her. Should we use road or use let's use Keke?
Let's use the Keke.
It's not our money, Ghana city.
Yeah.
No value. All right, so we are at grandma's gifts home, and then she prepared seafood okra soup, and we want to analyze it and see how it goes. So viewers and then my co-host, safe.
Let's see what advice we will be taking from grandma,
You know, grandma's
they are
meals,
very good,
they are the best.
They are the best, As I kept on eating my grandma's food from the childhood. Can't you see how I'm looking? I'm not looking good.
Oh, you are looking yummy. Yummy.
You are making my head become so big.
You want me to say you are looking handsome?
Yeah, that's
grandma's cooking will make you look yummy.
Wow, that's why I'm looking yummy. Let me say it.
All right, so when she was preparing, for me, you know, Ghanaians, it's really difficult for us to, especially those of us coming from the south, preparing okra soup with fresh.
It's not too common.
It's not too common.
Yeah.
I've never eaten some.
That's why I love the creativity of grandma.
Yeah.
This recipe is quite okay, but
yeah.
Every tribe and some communities, there are so many ways they use in preparing it.
So one man's food is another man's poison.
That's what they can say at times. Yeah.
So maybe I wouldn't like it, but
someone might like.
Yeah. So Nigerians, I think they love fresh fish, mixing it up with
and not just fresh fish. Use catfish.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I love the process. The process she used in preparing everything.
Very simple.
Yeah, very simple, and there are so many strategies I've learned today, which I'll be trying. I don't really like too much of fresh fish, especially because I'm allergic to some fishy smells and stuff. So yeah, I don't really like it. But when it's well prepared, as how grandma did, the recipes, the way he added pepper instead. If the pepper is more in excess, I could try it.
And then the ingredients she used, I love those ingredients. Do you know periwinkle?
Yeah. We call it konto. Konto, yeah.
Oh, are you sure konto?
Is that not konto?
Don't come and lie here. Go and research.
I'll go and research.
Research.
Don't mind me. I'll go and research on that.
Periwinkle. I think in Ghana, it is the accounts that take it. It's a shellfish. I don't know.
Oh, okay. And it's normally those from the coast, the Cape Coast, the Fantis and stuff like it. I think they normally use that, But let's go and watch the video first, right?
Okay, let's watch the video.
Guys, I almost forgot to add the periwinkle. Thank God I have boiled it already. I have steamed it, not boiling. I have steamed it already. So I'm going to add the etinkeni leaf last. This is going to bring out a very nice aroma. This soup, this is like student soup, or you call it husband and wife soup. That is this soup. This soup is a tebetua. That's if you don't eat it, you will cry. Let me not scatter it too much because of the fresh fish. Let me cover this.
Okay, so watching the video, she used periwinkle,
Yeah.
And
She used the etinkeli leaves. You know, I don't know what's that. It's a scent leaves.
it's scent leaf. In Ghana, we call it the feti inewe.
Oh, okay, that's the scent leaves and the feti. Oh wow, wow.
The feti.
No, and it has so many health benefits as well.
So grandma's
Grandma, wow, you are doing great. You are doing great. Yeah. Wow.
And Nigerians cannot.
But I never knew it's edible. I never knew. You know, we use it for medication now purposes, but I don't know.
For soups, Nigerians are best in doing that. And one thing I love about them, they can prepare their soup without crayfish.
Wow.
Yes,
Wow,
crayfish.
wow. Yeah, because I could see she used crayfish and.
So periwinkle is a seafood.
Yeah.
It's a
It's a sea snail. Yeah, it's edible sea snail.
Yeah,
and it has gills and operculum, and you know,
wow.
On it, yeah.
Okay. But I've never tasted that, so
yeah,
I
me
think,
too. I haven't, but I'll try. As Grandma has advised me, you know, I'll try and see.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
sure it also has a health benefit.
Yeah.
Definitely, everything God created has a health benefit.
Let's look at the end result of it. Wow. This is so yummy and delicious. It's mouth-watering.
I just love the fact that, you know, I told as earlier as I said, you know, to me, I'm allergic to fishy smell. So when the fresh fish is not well prepared, you know, even in preparation, the steam alone from the kitchen, when I get to hear the scents, you know, at times I feel like,
throwing out.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So
you're allergic to
yeah,
that.
so if the pepper is much, I could
The
try.
spices.
Yeah, I could try. But I love the fact that she washed catfish with warm water.
Yeah.
That's
She
very
did
fun,
well.
you know.
And what's the reason behind that? What do you think?
It's because just to remove the slime from the body of it, you know. There are so many ways people can do it in some communities. People use lime and lemon. You can put lime and
Are
lemon.
you a chef?
I told you
The way
I've once lived with my grandma, so I know a lot of stuff.
Wow,
Yeah.
there you are a chef.
So you can use the lime and lemon to rub the body of the catfish. But you know, scientifically they said you shouldn't rub it too much because the acidic content of the lime or lemon can tear off the skin of the this thing because the citrus this thing. Yeah. So it can tear off the skin of the catfish, so you have to do it gently. Some people use raw salt to rub it to remove the slime from the body of the catfish. It's also, and I learned people also use gari, but I haven't tried it. I haven't seen some.
Gari, yes. People use gari for snail. So since it is a sea snail, you can also use gari.
Wow,
so grandma did well for
so
that.
after washing with the warm water, she now rinse it with cold water, and that's fine. Cutting it into size of choice and place it on fire. The pepper and stuff, so everything went in mash, and I think it's fine.
And I love the aroma.
Yeah.
The aroma
Were you there?
But we are in Nigeria. Have you forgotten? We just left her house before saying this.
I have nothing to say. Okay, the aroma is fine.
And she didn't overcook it.
Yeah, it was moderate.
The fact that she used leaves, Nigeria, so I salute
and I love the way Little Helen was helping. Yeah.
Good. You know, train up a boy according to the way, and grandma is doing exactly
she's
that.
really giving Helen a good training. Helen, you are doing well. Okay?
Yeah,
Helen.
Kudos. And then what even amused me was that grandma said it's a student soup. You can call it student soup or husband and wife soup.
My fellow students, it's up to you. My fellow students, it's up to you. They said student soup. And she said you can take it with their fufu. But we here, we have the banku, the ewekule. And you know, my grandma used to cook this, the yakayaka.
Yeah.
You know, when after grating the cassava, you squeeze the water, you sieve it, and you use steam water, you know, the steam to cook it.
You steam it.
Yeah.
Yakayaka.
Yeah.
So you can eat it with anything. That was what grandma said.
I was doubting if you can eat it with rice.
Oh. Definitely.
Definitely you can. Yeah.
You can eat it.
It's a very good
when
mindset.
we get back to Ghana, in fact, I'm going to try it.
Yeah, we will try it. We will try it and see.
And then because of how you said you don't like fresh fish, I will add more spices.
Yeah, and see if I can try it and see.
So that you really enjoy. Maybe we'll get some wine and down.
Wow, so are we going to party?
Party.
We are party.
We are party today. So lovely viewers, this is where we end our video. If you don't have grandma's kitchen, grandma's gifts, just go to her house and then see for yourself how she prepared this yummy, yummylicious, delicious, aromatic, fresh seafood. Yeah.
That's
so till then, stay healthy.
And always remember to always exercise. It helps. Exercise. At
Please
least
continue
10
to
minutes, 15 minutes exercise a day in the morning before work, before school. It helps a lot.
All right. And continue to living green. Add so many different kinds of greens to your soup.
Yeah.
And then we'll stay healthy and we'll glow.
Right now, we are all available.
So right now,
We are all available.
so see you in our next video. It's a bye.